Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Adam. How to use eye tracking on iPhone. So eye tracking supported devices are iPad Pro M4, iPad Pro 12.9 inch, 5th generation, iPad Pro 11 inch, iPad 10th generation, iPad Air M2, iPad Mini 6th generation, and iPhone 12 and later, and iPhone SE 3rd generation. So make sure right here to go to your settings and go to the general, and then make sure that your iOS is fully updated to the latest version. And as you can see, the iOS 18 hasn't gotten yet, but if you got the new update, what you're gonna do, you're gonna just go back to the settings, and then what you're gonna do, you're gonna just go ahead to the accessibility, and then you're gonna notice there is gonna be an option in physical and motor for eye tracking. And basically what you're gonna do, you're gonna be able to enable the eye tracking on your iPhone, right? You can toggle it on or toggle it off, and then you're gonna follow the dot with your eyes as it moves around the screen. You're gonna move your eyes around, right? And then simply just follow this dot with your eyes in order to set up eye tracking, the sensors and camera on our iPhone. We will follow the eye movement, and then you just have to stare and follow this dot until the setup process is complete. The dot will go over the whole screen from the left to the right, from the top to the bottom. So just follow it with your eyes until you see the little check mark, and then after you complete it, you're gonna be able to actually set up that tracking process. And we will now be able to look at the specific control for a second or two, like the snap to item, zoom on keyboard keys. So it will be enabled or disabled, right? So let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you